Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Are you guys new to robot vacuums or having trouble setting up your Roomba J7? In this video, we walk you through the full iRobot Roomba J7 robot vacuum setup, from app installation and Wi-Fi pairing to smart mapping and auto-empty cleaning. Watch till the end for troubleshooting tips and best use recommendations. So let's start the setup video. First of all, plug the power cord into the clean base. Plug the other end into a wall outlet. A light on the dock will turn on, showing power is active. Place the robot on the clean base. Align the metal charging contacts on the robot with the dock. The light ring on Roomba will glow, showing it is charging. Charge for at least 3 hours before first use. This ensures battery health and smooth first-time performance. Go to the Apple App Store, for iOS users, or Google Play Store, for Android users, and search for the iRobot Home app. Download and install it on your smartphone. The app is essential for connecting your Roomba to the Wi-Fi, managing cleaning schedules, monitoring cleaning status, and receiving updates. Open the iRobot Home app. If you already have an account, log in using your credentials. If not, you'll need to create a new account by providing your email address and creating a password. You may also be asked to agree to the terms and conditions. Creating an account is crucial for syncing the app with your Roomba and accessing features like remote control and reports from anywhere. Turn on Bluetooth on your phone. Press and hold clean button on Roomba for 2 seconds. The robot will enter pairing mode. Select your Wi-Fi network, 2.4 GHz recommended. Enter Wi-Fi password. Wait while Roomba connects. If connection fails, move closer to router. Use 2.4 GHz instead of 5 GHz, restart phone and robot. Before mapping, prepare the house. Do this, open all room doors. Remove wires, socks, toys, and clutter. Lift curtains that touch the floor. Move fragile items away. This helps Roomba create an accurate map. Open the app. Tap Mapping Run. Let Roomba roam freely without interruption. Do not pick up or move the robot during mapping. It may take several hours, including recharge breaks. After mapping completes, tap Clean Everywhere in the app. Or press the Clean button on the robot. Roomba will vacuum and avoid obstacles automatically. If battery runs low, it will return to dock, recharge and resume cleaning. After each cleaning, Roomba returns to clean base. Dirt is automatically emptied into the base bag. You will hear a loud suction sound for 5 to 10 seconds. Replace dust bag when app sends a notification. Bag is full, usually every 1 to 2 months. Now your setup process is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. In case you face any type of difficulty, you are free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will always guide you. Thank you so much to watching our video. And lastly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our your YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for more updates.